In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip contents to a frame in Figma, a highly useful feature for all UX and UI designers. Whether you're an experienced designer or just starting out, being able to organize and present your design elements neatly within a frame will immensely enhance your workflow. So, let's dive right in and explore this valuable technique together. First, let's begin by heading over to Figma if you haven't already. You can access it by opening your web browser and navigating to figma.com. If you were automatically logged out or if you're new to Figma, you'll need to log in. Just click on the login button, usually found in the top right corner, and enter your login details. Once you've logged in, the next step is to head to your Figma homepage. This is where you'll find all of your recent files and shared projects listed out conveniently. After reaching the home section, we need to proceed to the design space. Simply click on Design. This is the area where all the magic happens. It's your creative playground. Now, with the design area loaded, we need to set up a frame. Hover over to the tools on the left side and select the frame tool. You can draw a frame directly on the canvas. Frames in Figma act like containers, organizing various elements you might create or import. With your frame in place, it's time to add a shape inside it to demonstrate how clipping works. Go ahead and select a shape tool like a rectangle or circle from the toolbar and draw it within the frame you've just created. This shape will be the first content element that we will manage within the frame, thus ensuring it's inside the frame is key. Now here comes the critical part. To clip the content to the frame, you should look to the Properties panel on the right hand side of the Figma interface. Here you'll find an option labelled Clip Content. By enabling this option, any part of your shape or additional design elements that extend outside the frame boundaries will be neatly clipped to fit within. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to clip contents to a frame in Figma. This technique is especially useful for hiding visual overflow or maintaining clean edges in your design layout. It's a powerful tactic that helps in organizing your designs and maintaining visual clarity. Don't forget to save your work as you proceed. Practicing this method ensures that your designs are not just aesthetically pleasing but also technically sound. Thanks for watching and keep designing.